like, subscribe, and get notified.
Collector has taken all these things on record. Review meeting will happen after 2 months. Each department will submit their proposals in writing. Now, on the issue of fire safety, for example, we have found that they have immediately put the fire extinguishers. However, in 2022, fire department had written to KTC to have a comprehensive fire safety plan for this bus stand, which has been pending again because of PWD. So we have asked them to submit a correspondence. While 2 years have passed, nothing is moving on this fire safety. So fire hydrants is required, water tank, base water tank is required. So a lot of things are there. By having this joint meeting, what has happened? Different departments are coming to know what are the difficulties, what are the challenges, what is the requirement. And we have emphasized here that funds is not a problem. As we are on the state committee for road safety and traffic management, we have seen money is there. We want that this money should come to these agencies, and that is why we are also going to, we have proposed today that advertising will be done on the bus stand on fire safety. Fire department will submit various messages on fire safety. Similarly, road safety messages will be put. You see, today Kadamba buses are having advertisement of condoms, but no advertisement of helmet. Both is for safety, but more important is helmet and seat belt. So we are saying that everything should be linked to a financial proposal. So we have requested all the participating departments to submit their proposals, not to worry whether there will be money or no money. That is not an issue. And we will take a review meeting. Directions have been given to civil supplies. There will be complaint book has introduced there. Every month, Consumer Affairs Sub Inspector of this civil supply department will visit, take a detailed note of what kind of complaints have been entered in the complaint book, so that those complaints will be tackled. Okay. So basically today we are very happy with the participation. We have gone beyond our original memorandum which we have submitted, and we were happy that we could also discuss this point, because as you know, Goa Can is taking a review of all bus stands of Goa. Ponda was on our list, so this this meeting has been very helpful. KTC bus stand, Ponda. Now, as you know, the KTC bus stand is based on the financial support that is there by KTC as a corporation. Now, you will realize that this bus stand was totally neglected, and after the renovation was done, the most important aspects of the bus stand were neglected. That is the signage, drinking water, toilet facility, entry, exit, lighting system, all this was neglected. Now today's meeting we had asked for a joint attendance of all officials. So I was very pleased today that Transport Department was present there, Traffic Police was present, Civil Supplies Department was present, Fire Department was present. The only department which was very important but did not attend was PWD. And sir has taken note of this, because as you see, many of the recommendations, whether it is made by fire department, KTC, transport, everything goes to PWD, and PWD delays the works. Anyway, so as we had raised, already when memorandum was submitted, Kadamba Transport Corporation became proactive and started doing the work, and I am very happy that already last 2-3 days they have been started the work, activated the toilet, brought the signages, put the temporary drinking water facility, put the complaint book, and most important today they have announced that they have appointed one TC as in charge for this bus stand. As you know, biggest problem of bus stand is lack of any authority to be present there. So today they have mentioned that they have given authority to one TC who will be overall in charge of this bus stand. Now today we have discussed the major issues that we had first highlighted was about the signages. So there are 14 bus bays. This is very important information today. 14 bus bays means 14 routes are operational to that bus stand. So today we have asked the transport department to take a review of all the routes, because having a bus stand and saying there is a route, but bus is not operating, what is the use of that? So we have asked that review of the route should be there, and those buses which are not operated, they should be issued notice If they don't want to operate, that route should be given to someone else. But we don't want a bus stand where people are forced to take scooter and go. We want Ponda Taluka to benefit from this bus stand. That is a clear decision of Goa Camp. We will not allow the bus stand to be there without functioning buses. Second thing we have taken up today is about the garbage arrangement. There was no arrangement to clear the garbage. As you know, this bus stand falls in the Pandora Panchayat area. And there is no written agreement between the bus stand of KTC and Panchayat. So today we have proposed to them that by the review meeting that they should make an agreement either with the Panchayat or with Ponda Municipal Council to clear the garbage on a regular basis. And for that there will be a plan where the siting of the dustbins will be there for wet and dry waste. This entire garbage issue was discussed and led today. One additional point we have taken. Second additional point we have taken is about the road safety. See, the exit and entry to this bus stand are very dangerous. There people are forced to take U-turn, and so today it has been decided that traffic police will give a vehicle circulation plan for that bus stand.
Watch on Herald TV.